Hey guys, welcome back to WP Manager, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get the wedding child theme for the event listing theme. We have released the event listing theme officially by WP Manager very recently. I have given you a tour of the theme itself. I have showed you how to get started with the theme, and today I'm going to show you how to create a wedding event theme with like just few clicks in your WordPress website. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. We will need two things first before we get started. So let's head over to plugin section, and we're gonna go to the plugin repository. And when you are here, you will have to install one click demo import. Okay, and when you search this, you will have to install this particular plugin over here, the one click demo import by OCDI. Okay, go ahead and install and activate this plugin. This is a free plugin. This is great, and we use it for our import usage. And another thing that will you will need is Elementor. So go ahead and install the free version of the Elementor, or if you have pro version, that's even great. When these installations are done, you have completed the pre-flight. All you have to do is go to appearance, then go to import demo data, and over here you will be able to see the active theme of yours event listing in this scenario. And if you scroll down, you will be able to see like what we have available for you. So these are all the one click demo import that you can do right away without having to import anything manually. Okay, so one click, that's all. And to get started, obviously we need to select one theme over here that we will go and import. So let's take the wedding one over here. Okay, and when you hover over here, you will be able to see either preview demo or import demo. So you can click on this preview demo. It will take us to the our demo site, where you'll be able to experience the theme at its full extent. Okay, and if you are just curious about the demo, so you can just click on this import demo section. It will take us to a pre-flight check page where we have already installed our dependency, obviously WP Event Manager and Elementor, that I have instructed you to install while you have while we were installing the OCDI or one click demo import plugin. And when you are done over here, the required plugins are satisfied, then if you want, you can use these inbuilt installer for suggested plugins. Monster Side is good one. WP Forms is a good one as well. So you can like go ahead and like install any of these suggested plugins if you like to. But when you are done here, you can click on continue and import, and you will have to like wait few seconds, and it will import everything automatically. So it will not just import the styling, not the layout, the front page layout. It will also import some demo data for you to look around. Okay, and when it's done, you can go to the site, and I'm going to show you like some post installation steps that you will have to follow. First of all, you will have to like customize or like rearrange or like recreate your menu over here. It looks a bit messier. You can rearrange items and like create a suitable menu for you and assign that to main menu. And the second step is like you will notice these home page over here is kind of boxed layout. Okay, like default block layout. So that's a simple fix. All you have to do is go to edit page, and when the Gutenberg editor is loaded, or if you're using classic editor, go to template section over here and switch it to Elementor full width. Okay, and click on update. That's it. And when you revisit the site in a new tab, maybe, or in the same tab, you will see the intended styling or like the layout is here. How to customize the site or like the layout, if you ask, that's pretty simple as well. So how to get started with that? It's pretty simple. All you have to do is click on edit with Elementor, and it will come up with the editor over here, where you will be able to click and edit anything that you would like. Not just edit, you can add or remove elements from this site layout as well, or the page layout, if I say so. That's pretty easy. Elementor doesn't require you to know like any kind of coding. This is total codeless experience. So like very suitable for our friends out there who are not familiar or not compatible with coding. This is a drag and drop website builder. With Elementor, you can build anything that you can imagine. So everything or every aspect of the theme is customizable to its core. If you are just looking to customize the homepage for yourself, feel free to do that from here. When done, you can just hit on this update button and go back to your WordPress site to preview the changes. Um, if you want to customize the other aspect of the theme, that you can also do. For that, we need to go back to our website and we have to load up the customizer section. I'm going to show you what we have in the customizer. I'm going to show you, give you like a bit of example, or like maybe explain it what each settings or like each customized section does. You will be able to figure it out by yourself when I give you. So site identity and the menus and widgets, homepage settings, those are by default WordPress default customized options. Additional CSS where you can like define global CSS for your entire site. Site identity, you guys already know what that is. Theme options, so over here you'll be able to set certain things. Header settings, if you enter your telephone number or email over here, like says if I do demo at the rate my event platform.com, it will show a top bar over here where the email will be listed, so right up here. Okay, and if you include a phone number, that will appear also here. And if you have a social menu assigned from the menu sections itself and you want to show the social icons over here, you can do that as well. So on the right side it will show the social icons if you have a social menu. I don't have a social menu, so I'm not going to add that. And if you want to show a search icon in the main menu itself, you can do that from here as well. That's the header section. Footer section, you will able to customize the copyright text. You'll be able to customize the column layout for this section over here in the footer. So available options are either 1, 2 or 3 or 4 columns. Okay, by default is 4. Site layout settings, you can change the default layout settings, either full width or boxed layout. So basically container, fluid or container. You can select whether globally sidebar will be by default disabled or enabled. By default it's disabled. Or you can choose like whether to show sidebar first, or like sidebar at the top before content in the mobile, or whether to show content at the top in the mobile from here as well. So content first, sidebar first. Make changes, publish your changes, and that's it. Then we have the slider settings. I'm not going to go ahead and explain this because it won't make sense for this theme. We will explain that when the base theme or like the main theme gets explained, or like we give you an overview. So going back, what else we have? We have typography. Obviously you can set every bit of typography options you want over here. And then we have colors. You can choose your default colors over here. And then we have header image, you can choose that as well. We have background images, you can choose that as well. We have menus, like I was saying, you can assign your menus over here. View all locations, all you have is like primary, so this one, and social menu for the social menu over here, and on the footer itself. Okay, I'm not going to select social menu. That's all the menu positions we have, the header and the social menu. All right, then we have widgets. You can add widgets to sidebar and footers for columns. Then we have homepage settings. This is basically WordPress default. And then we have WooCommerce. Over here you can add like store notice if you want, product catalog, product images, and checkout. So this is compatible with WooCommerce, this plugin. We have explained that in our introduction video about our theme itself. So yeah, again, you can customize every bit of it. So let's go back, and I'm gonna close this customizer. Also, like I said, you can add additional CSS from here. So that's pretty much covers up every aspect of the child theme. So this was like little bit about how to get started with the theme. If you are feeling curious, you can go ahead, like watch the demo, and you can play around with other pages as well if you would like. That would be just fine. Yeah, let me know in the comment if you have any kind of questions or queries. I'll be sure to help you out in there. If you are facing any kind of problems, let me know as well. I'll be sure to help you out. And until next time, I'm Shara saying goodbye. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.